guys, welcome to my channel. It has been a long time since I posted a video. So, I have come up with a mini reading today. We'll pick up from that. So, our topic is what do you want versus what do you actually need. So, let me just explain a little bit about this reading. So, sometimes what happens is that what we want is not always what we need, and sometimes we don't have the clarity over it because we may think that once we get this, we all our problems will be solved, but we tend to distract ourselves from the underlying need, or what is that which would actually help us, right? So the motive of this reading is to bring you that clarity and see whether what you want is actually what you need, through the cards. So we have pile 1, pile 2, pile 3. So whichever pile attracts you or suits you the most, kindly pick up that pile. I would be also be putting up the image on the screen. From there you can also choose pile 1, pile 2, pile 3, whichever attracts you the most, and kindly see the your timestamps in the description box. And if you wish to book a personal reading with me, kindly DM me on Instagram, or you can also mail me on healrighttarot@gmail.com. These are general readings and it may or may not resonate with you. So, keeping that in mind, let's start our reading. Hello, pile one. If you chose this file, let's see for you what is. First, we will see what do you think you want. Then, we will see what is that you actually need. So, first, we have for you the sun, and then we have the Six of Swords, and from Oracle we have the Confidence. Okay, so pile one, what do you think you want right now is a boost of confidence, a boost of confidence in your identity, in who you are. um, Basically you wish for a positive movement forward, you wish for some kind of a elevation, for some kind of a growth within yourself, right? You wish for some kind of an expansion as well in your career, in your identity. Maybe it's fame that you wish for, it's certain kind of a success when it comes to you, your own self image, right? You wish for a kind of a growth that is long term, which is not something which is like a spike, but something which really instills a kind of a boost in your overall image, right? This is what you want. You wish for that um, long lasting happiness, right, in under the sun that you can bask, right? So that's what you really wish for, that positivity, that growth, that lift, in your own self image. That is what you really want. Right now, let's see from the cards further what is that you really need actually, right? Let's see. So we have for you, let me straighten it first. Great. So we have for you the Princess of Wands, which is actually the Page of Wands. Then we have the King of Swords, and then we have the Strength card. So interesting to note here that what do you think you want is confidence, but what you actually need is inner strength. And it's amazing because sometimes we use confidence as a synonym for strength, right? Sometimes we think that we because confidence is something which can also depend on outside validation. So when we get outside validation, we tend to have an ego boost, which we take for confidence, or which we mistake for confidence, while strength is something which does not require an external validation. It comes from within, it comes from your own inner core. You need not say, you know need not listen from someone else that you are a strong person, because when you are a strong person, Paiwan, you know it, right? So what you actually need is that inner strength and inner core. And how can you get that inner strength, by the way, is working on your boundaries, because it seems a sense of maturity is needed within ourselves, a sense of a seriousness is needed in our own work, because you might be creative, you might be playful, you might be impulsive, but what's is actually needed is a kind of a discipline, is needed a kind of a own boundaries which are need to be met. It's like wanting things to expand, like we saw from the cards, but not having the discipline to achieve it, not having that inner strength to achieve it, right? So just for example, if we tell ourselves that we wish to have a positive body image, so we need to work out for it, we need to focus on our diet, right, and stuff like that. But when you don't have the discipline or the routine to exercise that, how will you get a positive healthy image for yourself? So something the cards are signaling you for that only. What do you want is definitely a boost in your confidence, a positive mindset shift. That's all what you're looking for within yourself, right? But it won't come from the outside. You can't expect the external forces, be it your environment, the people you are surrounded with, to change, right? Or your environment to shift completely 180 degrees all of a sudden, right? It will come from within. It will come from actually disciplining yourself. It will come when you work on your own inner core, your inner strengths, when you really analyze what you allow to happen for yourself and what you won't permit, right? So it's like really putting your foot down and realizing what is working for you and what is not working for you, where you have given yourself more of a kind of a leniency, and where you need to now step back and really see yourself from a different perception, right? um, and one thing, the shifts in energy here are also very quite visible, because what do you think you want? It's the energy expanding here. There's this movement, there's this flow, there's everything is expanding with so much vastness, right? The sun, the confidence, the Six of Swords card, and here what you actually need is to really um, for me, when I see this car, I get the sense of trimming, trimming yourself, trimming in the sense, like weeding out, decluttering, managing your hopes and expectations, being more realistic. That's what you actually need. You need to strengthen your core, you need to channel the strength from within, you know um, and once you do that, I think this will eventually come to you, because once you work on your strengths, once you work what recognize what really works for you, what does not work for you, that confidence and the visible effect will actually happen by its own. uh, it's like a byproduct. What do you want? It's a byproduct of your inner environment. So while you are wishing for this, what you want is actually external things that you want, but what you need is actually to work on your inner environment somewhere here, right? If you have to work on your boundaries with someone's attitude you are not liking, someone is acting more childlike, and you don't have the strength to bring that make that boundaries, then you have to work on it. But somewhere you have to become more stricter with yourself, and really channel that strength that's missing right now. So that's what was a comparison between what do you think you want versus what you actually need, right? I hope this reading threw some light on your wishes, expectations, and hopes, and I hope it gave you some kind of clarity. And if it did, kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment below. And if you wish to book a personal reading with me, kindly DM me on Instagram, or you can also mail me on healrighttarot@gmail.com. I'll see you next time. Hello, pile 2. If you chose this pile, let's see for you what are your wants versus what are your needs. So, what do you think you want versus what you actually need? So, first, let's see what do you want, right? What do you think you want? So, first, we have for you the Eight of Pentacles, then we have for you the Magician card. Great. Okay, I'll pull up this one later. So, what's happening here, pile two, for you? What you want is, you wish for some kind of a magic. You want some kind of a, some innovation, revolution to take place in your work, in your career. If you are a content creator, you have a small business of your own, you are an artist, or whatever your work is, right? You really wish for some innovation to kick in. You really wish to to experiment and try different ways, some unique ways, unique formulas, to get the best, like to really create something which has not been created till now. We have the comfort card here. At the same time, you want to grow, you want that kind of a growth, you wish for that kind of a magic to kick in. And if you are a content creator, you really wish, for things for your page, for your media aspect to really take off. It's like, blending different elements of your work in order to produce something which is luxury, which is very unique, which is vibrant, which is colorful, which is dynamic, right? Because the magician card here is someone who have all the available resources and makes the best use of it. They alchemize it, they alchemize their lessons, they really try to bring something which has not been there till now, right? So there's a need for some kind of luxury, there's a want for some kind of very unique thing which has not been there right yet. You wish to create something like that, you wish something in your workspace, right? And you're working hard for it, that you're already doing, but you wish to, it's like to produce something which has not been produced yet, which has not been there yet. You really wish to create some kind of magic with your work. Now let's see what you actually need. So we have the two of wands, and then we have for you the ace of pentacles. So the two of wands and the ace of pentacles reflect the choices we have. It reflects, do you have more than one option where you can invest your effort, invest your money, invest your energy? Are there some other ways to work what you wish to work on? Are there some different elements? Is there a second perception to, through which you can look? We have the peace card here. So what do you really need, pile 2, is to make peace with what you have, to make peace with your choices, to make peace with your actions, right? You think you want to grow, you think you want to experiment more, you think, you have to create something very unique out of the blue. But the story that is being told here, what you need, is very different. Because um, when the two of wands kick in, it talks about your choices, it talks about making the right decision, sometimes it also talks about waiting, right? So out of the two options, are you committing to your work? Are you very much committed to your work? Are you very much committed uh, to what you bring to the table, right? Maybe sometimes, if your mind is going two ways, I can do this, I can do that, I can also do that. When there's so much variety, we get lost, we get stuck, right? So it's like, what do you need is to make peace with on the path that you are right now, and make peace at least with one choice right now. It's like commit to at least one path first, commit to at least one area of work first, right? You can make it better later, you can make it a top notch quality later on, but first commit to one thing. That's what is actually is needed. What is needed from you, pile 2, is a decision, is a sort of a clarity, a sort of a peace with your choices that you have made or you have to make, right? Because maybe you could be searching or wanting for some kind of a work that, is going to be, would work miracles or will give you miracles, or some kind of fantasy world that you're living in, right? But you have to commit to a path. That's what you need. You need to commit to one sort of work, one sort of path, and make peace with it, and then you can invest all your time and energy to improve it, improvise it, innovate it, whatsoever, right? But that's your action plan, that's what you actually need. to stick to one thing first, right? So I hope this reading gave you some kind of a clarity, and if it did, kindly like, share, comment below, and subscribe to my channel if you have not. If you wish to book a personal reading with me, kindly DM me on Instagram, or you can also mail me on healwriter@gmail.com. I'll see you next time. Hello, bye. Pile 3. If you chose this pile, let's see for you what do you think you want versus what you actually need, right? So, first, we are going to focus on what do you think you want. So, the cards that we have for you are the Ace of Swords and the Princess of Pentacles. From Oracle, we have for you the movement. So, pile 3, what do you think you want is, a kind of a clarity, a kind of a firm clarity, and, sticking to a decision, saying yes to this thing or saying no to this thing, but doing that thing quickly now. You want results, you want a one single minded direction towards something. This could be a work, this could be a career, this could be something you wish to invest in, this could be related to your uh, education as well, right? Maybe a project that you are wanting to work on, maybe it's a location you wish to shift in, right? But you want a peace of mind, you want a direction towards which you can move towards, right? Maybe you have been things have been slowed down for you for a long time. Now you do not wish to waste any more time, you wish to make up your mind and just be done with that thing, make a decision, have some clarity over it, and get moving, get going, right? Now what do you actually need? So the cards we have for you is the Queen of Pentacles, and then we have for you the Two of Swords, and then we have for you is consciousness. It's I think this is the only pile where what do you think you want and what does you actually need has some alignment in these cards, right? Because we have the Ace of Swords, the Two of Swords, the Queen of Pentacles, the Page of Pentacles all here. So you are on the right track when it comes to what do you actually need, what do you think you want, right? Because even what you need is some kind of an understanding, a higher understanding, because definitely you are confused when it comes to your career. I think it's related to your career, money. For few of you this could also related to your marriage, but very few of you, um, you are definitely confused when it comes to uh, an aspect of your life, be it career or marriage, right? You're not sure how to make it grow. You're not sure what to do next with it, what is the next action to do, or maybe you're not even sure how to maintain what you actually have, right? So possibilities are there, but this is the confusion you wish to get let go of. You wish to give the only way you can let go of this confusion, right, and get into some clarity is through getting some kind of a higher understanding, higher acceptance, deeper knowledge towards something on that aspect, in that area of your life. Because definitely one thing is very clear for you is that you know what is that thing, right? You know that you are confused and that you need some kind of a clarity. Maybe you have been stuck for a long time, maybe you are not getting that peace of mind, right? So what do you want is actually what you need. So you are in alignment in that sense. You are very much self-aware of those facts. Maybe you just don't know the how, you do know the why, but you don't know the how. For the how you need to maybe get guidance from someone on, someone who is expert in that area of your life. Maybe talk to someone, um, whatever it is, from whomsoever you can take that guidance. Kindly do, because it might help you, it might help you know something that you at your level are not able to understand or know about, right? So you can be benefited from that. So the good thing is that what you think you want is clarity, and what you actually need is also a deeper understanding, and a deeper clarity, right? The only thing is that you think you want to rush that decision, you have to be you have to really rush it, or you have to make a decision as quickly as possible. But that's not where the haste is, right? You do not have to make any decision in haste, and there's no time that you have lost or wasted trying to think about it. You just need it's not a quick solution, but it needs a more deeper solution, or it needs a higher level of understanding. That is what is required. It does not require a, some kind of a pace. For example, it's not like you are missing out on something, or that you are moving slow. So it's not the fast pace that is needed. What is needed is more maturity. What is needed is a different perception. What is needed is a deeper understanding of the same thing which you think needs a quicker solution. I hope this reading gave you some kind of a clarity, and if it did, kindly like, share, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. And if you wish to book a personal reading with me, kindly DM me on Instagram, or you can also mail me on healrighttarot@gmail.com. I'll see you next time. Bye.